Hey guys, I'm Rada Pooey, and I'll be singing Paint the Town Red by Doja Cat. Let's go! Yeah, bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put a fool to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot of me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put a fool to the pedal. It'll take a whole lot of me to settle. Yeah, my illness is all of your misery. I could go down ill in my kidneys. This my job don't come with no jealousy. My illness don't come with no remedy. My game is so much fun without Hennessy. They just want my love and my energy. This young of shit without penalties. Bitch, I'm in your shit. If you skip him, I'm going to glow up one more time. Trust me, I have magical foresight. You gonna see me sleeping in courtside. You gonna see me eating 10 more times. You can't take this bitch nowhere. I look better with no hair. Ain't no sign I can't smoke here. Give me the chance and I'll go. Yeah, bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put a fool to the pedal and take a whole lot for me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put a foot to the pedal and take her let me settle. Woo! Yeah, you try, bitch. You can use a little feedback with I did. You can need a big feature or a new sidekick. I don't need a new fan cause my boo like it. I don't need to wear a wig to make you like it. I'm a two-time bitch, you ain't the white wig. I'm not like you, I'm flying there. I'm Pops waiting for me to fly then. Guys, I need a car. Money on debt, I'm feeding for. I'm doing things they ain't seen before. Guys ain't done but a stream is all. I'm a rare act. Hold off off, I ain't seeing the horse. Call your bluff, better cite the source. Then there's something that I need no more. Yeah, bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I paint the town red. She the devil, she a little bitch, she a rebel. She added to the battle and took a whole lot of me to settle. She the devil, she a bad little bitch, she a rebel. She put a foot to the pedal, take a whole lot of me to settle. I hope you guys like me singing Paint the Town Red, and you didn't have to listen to this Paint the Town Red video if you didn't want to. And if you don't want to paint the town red, then don't paint the town red. Enjoy! Lots of kisses from Ratatata Pooey!